Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard Instant Stabilizer 100. What is BioGuard Instant Stabilizer 100? BioGuard Instant Stabilizer 100 prevents the loss of free chlorine due to sunlight. This quick dissolving formula is easier to apply than a granular stabilizer. Protecting your chlorine with this product reduces chlorine consumption and maintenance costs. Product benefits: prevents the loss of free chlorine due to sunlight. Quick dissolving formula is easier to apply than granular stabilizer. Reduces chlorine consumption and maintenance costs. Dosage: 1 gallon raises CYA levels by 32 ppm per 10,000 gallons of water. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope the information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.